Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Little Red Wagon. We have sandable primer and this color red. It was either dark, kind of like it was before, or there was a red that looked kind of pinkish. So we picked this. We did take a picture of it. So we're going to get busy. We're going to do the bottom first. We sanded with various sandpapers, like 220 on the sides. Leftover sanding disc from my belt disc sander machine, so I don't know what grit is. So we're going to get it primered, let that dry, get it painted on the bottom, then we'll do the inside last, which will be easier. So stay tuned, we'll get this job done so it won't be too long a video. And we are done. We chose to use 1/4-inch rivets. We almost had to put a washer on the piece on the bottom if the hole would have been any bit bigger, because sometimes you got to put a washer on a rivet because the hole's a little bit bigger than a 1/4-inch. But there you go. We'll give you some photos. This is all straightened out back here. What's weird is this axle is hollow. This axle's solid. And I modified this, put lawnmower wheels on it years ago. Somebody might have noticed. And in order to do that, I had to take some old wheels or whatever plastic pipe I had and make some spacers. So it kind of sets out wider than the original tires, the way they were made. And I drilled these and put cotter pins in it. I don't know why the front ones are smaller than the back. The back ones are bigger holes. There you go. We'll leave you some pictures. Little defect there because I masked over that. There was a little rust. I take a little white paint or a paint pen and touch that up. But we didn't mask that off. I like this color choice. The other red probably would have been darker, not quite this dark. And the other red in the store looked too kind of flowery, pinkish looking red. So I did take a picture of the can of what color I bought. So thanks for watching. We'll leave you some nice pretty photos of this parked out in the grass.